Nagpaplano ka ba mag-upgrade to AM5 na socket? Ito nga pala ang MSI Pro X670-P ATX socket AM5 DDR5 na motherboard. So tara, i-check natin. Itong particular motherboard na to guys is nagsusupport na ng latest DDR5 memory with SMT slot. SMT meaning the surface mounting technology. Isang uri ng welding process na nagre-reduce ng defect rate of slot solder joints, electromagnetism at interference. At included sa box yung kanyang European Union regulatory notices, yung kanyang manuals and documents, at yung kanyang libreng SATA cables, yung I/O shield, at yung kanyang antenna para sa kanyang Wi-Fi 6. At marami rin ito guys ng M.2 locker. Ang motherboard na ito guys ay nagsusupport ng AMD Ryzen 7000 series desktop processors, DDR5 memory, dual channel DDR5 7800 plus MHz for overclocking. Ito na guys ang ating motherboard with premium thermal solution, extended heatsinks, at high quality PCB. Guys, 8-tier PCB to, made by 2-ounce thickened copper and server grade level materials. So matibay to guys. At meron din itong lightning fast gaming experience guys. PCIe 4.0 slots, Lightning Gen 5 na 4 na slots for M.2, at para naman sa kanyang inputs guys, napakadami niyang input ports na talaga namang masusulit mo kapag ginagamit mo na tong motherboard na to. At ito na nga guys ang ating MSI Pro X670-P Wi-Fi ATX motherboard na AM5 guys.